Minority Caucus. The New York State Assembly is the lower house of the New York State Legislature, the New York State Senate being the upper house. There are 150 seats in the Assembly. Assembly members serve 2-year terms without term limits. The Assembly convenes at the state capitol in Albany. The Speaker of the Assembly presides over the Assembly. The Speaker is elected by the Majority Conference followed by confirmation of the full Assembly through the passage of an Assembly resolution. In addition to presiding over the body, the Speaker also has the chief leadership position and controls the flow of legislation and committee assignments. The Minority Leader is elected by party caucus. The Majority Leader of the Assembly is selected by, and serves, the Speaker. Democrat Carl Heastie of the 83rd Assembly District has served as Speaker of the Assembly since February 2015. Crystal Peoples-Stokes of the 141st Assembly District has served as Assembly Majority Leader since December 2018. Republican Will Barkley of the 120th Assembly District has served as Assembly Minority Leader since January 2020. The Assembly has been controlled by the Democratic Party since 1975. As of October 2020, the Democrats hold 101 of the Assembly's 150 seats. The New York State Assembly has the following committees: